Okay, we're making torrijas today, another classic Spanish dish. So we start by heating up milk, whole milk, in the pot with some cinnamon, orange peel, and some sugar. Okay, we have to boil.
Listo.
Turn the heat off.
Se enfría un poquito.
The manner starts boiling, so it doesn't overflow. Okay. ¿Y ahora qué?
Que se enfríe un poco para poderlo poner aquí, para que no se deshagan.
Okay, I have to let it cool, then to transfer it to the dish that has the bread. This is 2 eggs beaten, and that is the milk that is being chilling in the water bath. Not to be cold, just to be warm. And here we go. And this is the pan where it's going to be fried. Another quart of olive oil. And then you pour it on the things. Gonna soak. And that's it. Okay, so now it's just taking them out of the milk. And draining a little bit of the excess milk. I'm gonna put them in the dish.
Hay que dejar que escurran para luego meterlas en el huevo y llevarlas al sartén.
Transfer the bread to the beaten egg.
Sí, fácil.
Flipping them over. Flip it again. You have to have a brown color, completely brown. Okay, take them out of there for the oil. With cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon, and honey from Lacerera. This is the honey, see? Naturally made, no preservatives, mountain bees. Eso es el azúcar. Well, this is probably 20 million calories, so if you're on a diet, skip this video and go to your Simon's video to do exercises. So here we are, sampling it. With the honey. Wow. Amazing stuff. Wow. Orgasmic.